Hi guys, here welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can actually set up a verified Epay account. Many people have requested for this. I decided to make a video how you can actually set up a verified Epay account step by step. Okay, all you need to do is for you to head over to the Play Store, search for Epay Wallet and download it. Make sure you download it from Google Play Store. Okay, make sure you downloaded this Epay wallet from Google Play Store. Search for Epay wallet, is going to show up. Okay, but before I proceed, disclaimer: this video is for educational purpose only. I am not a financial advice. I am not affiliated with Epay. Always download the apps from official stores and never share your password or pins or two-step verification code with anyone. Please review the official terms and services before using the app. Okay, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the main video. What is Epay exactly? You might be watching this video and ask yourself, maybe you don't have it on your phone. You might think, what is Epay? Epay is a global transfer where you can send or receive money across border. Okay, it's a currency exchange, which is great if you want to convert your money between different currencies while traveling or shopping online. Okay, and Epay, you can actually make a digital payment, allow you to pay or receive funds from other Epay users, often with low or zero fee. Okay, the app is okay, it is not a bank, but it is a wallet. Okay, if you go to Play Store, you are going to know that they write Epay Wallet. Okay, you can make a global transfer, like send money or receive money worldwide, whether especially if you are streaming in different app, like if maybe you are doing survey app, or you are on the live streaming app, that there is some live streaming app that you download and you log in. They will ask you that they are paying with Epay. Imagine if you have this app, it is not going to stress you. Let me teach you how to do it step by step. All you need to do is for you to use your Google account to log in. Okay, make sure you use your Google to log in on this Epay. Then you are going to notice that if you look at the app, you are going to see certificate. Okay, if you see that certificate, you need to click on it. Okay, once you click on it, it's going to make up to, let me say, a seconds before it will open. Just give it a time, then it will load like this. Okay, like I said before, make sure you download this app from official Google Play Store, because there is a lot of fake one out there. Be careful. Okay, download it from Google Play Store. Now, you are going to see that once it load, they are going to tell you to personal or company. You don't need to choose company because you are making use of it to receive money or send money from other users, especially we that is always streaming, getting paid from different app. You need to choose personal. Okay, now you choose personal. All you need to do for you to choose your country. All country is available, because now I'm going to be making use of my country, Nigeria. Okay, which I've already selected already. Okay, and you are going to agree the terms and services. Make sure you read all of this. Okay, then you need to click on confirm. Okay, so now I've clicked on confirm. They're going to ask me that for account security, please confirm that you are the one performing this action. Then click on start a verification. Now they're going to ask you to start a verification. As you can see, agree the Epay, collect my distance and something like that. Then you need to click on this agree. They need to start to verify yourself. Okay, it's gonna take time, but let me just know if I can actually do it. And my network is actually getting low, and also my battery. Okay, now you are going to agree, do not reject. Okay, do not reject, just agree. Okay, so let's just wait. You have to have patience with EP. Okay, because sometimes it can delay, especially if your network is low, it can delay like that. Then you need to wait. As you can see, loading. Then you're going to load, like you're going to bring your identity verification. You're going to see you're about to start data verification process. They're going to ask you that you need to provide your documents, anyone you have, either your NIN or anyone you have. Okay, you need to take a photo. As you can see, once you open the app, they're going to give you an example, but I'm going to be um closing here for a security. I know that the app is the one that give it, because I'm going to be covering it because of security reason on YouTube. Okay, I'm not going to be displaying any information here. Okay, if you see me skipping some settle part, is because of some security reason. Okay, and it is not good to expose your identity, especially on video. Okay, it's not good to express your identity, it's very bad. Okay, now you need to take your photo. Maybe you want to verify it with your document, like your NIN. Maybe you're from Nigeria and they want to use your NIN to verify it. Make sure you place it on a clean background and take a photo of it. Okay, because you are going to be uploading it. Okay, as you can see, I'm uploading it already and it is loading. If it is not correct, they're going to reject it. Okay, now the error appear because my network is very low. I have to start afresh to record this video. Okay, so now I have already uploaded my identity, like my NIN. I uploaded it, but I skip this part just for security purpose. You can see a verification in progress. It's going to take up to 1 to 2 business days before they will tell you to confirm. Okay, once they confirm it, you are going to notice that it's going to appear green button. Then you will continue using it. You can use it to send or receive money worldwide. All you need to do is for you to go to your Play Store and search for Epay. Okay, let me search for it. Epay. Okay, so Epay Wallet. Then you go ahead and download. The reason why I'm saying this because there's a lot of app on Play Store now. Okay, just make sure you download the official one. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye.